Hi there, I'm Bartosz. I have saved my customers hundreds of hours of work on reports. I have an important message for people who work in Excel and their bosses. A revolution is underway thanks to which every Excel user can automate their work with data and save many hours of tedious typing. Forget about time-consuming data download from IT systems and files, manual processing with formulas, changing formats or correcting errors. The revolution is called Power Query and is available for free for any Excel version. Imagine that you can create a magic refresh button so that actions usually repeated manually will be performed automatically. If you have never heard of Power Query, here are the most important facts. 9 out of 10 companies can benefit from Power Query. 9 out of 10 reports can be fully automated with Power Query. 9 out of 10 Excel users don't know this yet. While Power Query is an integral part of Excel, it offers a completely new interface that makes it easy to perform necessary data operations. With Power Query, you can record the whole process of creating reports once and then click refresh to repeat it. All of this without being a programmer. Just as robots in production have taken over some responsibilities of people, Power Query allows for automation for every person working in Excel. Imagine now what you will do with the saved time. How can you join the revolution? Start learning with me today at Excel BI Academy. Save hours of your work and get a new Excel power. Read by Bartosz Czapiewski, founder of Excel BI Academy.